My body, not a product to consume, not a vessel to extract from, not a symbol of purity, not a symbol of my family's or anyone else's honor, but a channel for birth, life, and creation. A personal, God-given expression, sacred to me, mine to fully inhabit.